Example number 3. If log of x to base 2 plus log of x to base 4 plus log of x to base 16 equals to 21 out of 16, find x. Given log of x to base 2 plus log of x to base 4 plus log of x to base 16 equals to 21 out of 16, and we are required to find the value of x. But on analyzing the problem, all bases are even and have a common factor of 2. So as we proceed, let's make sure that we have log of x to base 2 as the simplest logarithm with a variable argument x. But how do we achieve it? Using the change of base formula rule, let's introduce a new base of 2 in the second and third term of this problem. This implies that we have log of x to base 2 plus log of x to base 2 divided by log of 4 to base 2 plus log of x base 2 divided by log of 16 base 2, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. Since log of x to base 2 is common and it's the only logarithm with a variable argument x, so for simplicity, let log of x base 2 equal to a c. This implies that we have c instead of log of x to base 2 plus c divided by log of 4 base 2 plus c divided by log of 16 base 2, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. So we will have c plus c divided by 4 is the same as 2 squared, so we will have log of 2 squared to base 2 plus c divided by 16 is the same as 2 to power 4, so we will have log of 2 to power 4 base 2, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. And we will have c plus c divided by, from power rule, 2 will become a coefficient of this logarithm, so we will have 2 log of 2 to base 2 plus c divided by, still also from power rule, 4 will become a coefficient of this logarithm, 4 log of 2 base 2, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. And we will remain with c plus c divided by 2. From identity rule, log of 2 base 2 equals to 1, so we'll have 1 here, plus c divided by 4. The same applies to this. This will equal to 21 out of 16. So we'll have c plus c divided by 2 plus c divided by 4, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. Let's multiply 16 on either side. We have 16 into c plus c divided by 2 plus c divided by 4 equals to 21 out of 16 times 16. This implies that we will have 16 times c, that's 16c, plus 16 times c out of 2, that's 8c, plus 16 times c out of 4, that's 4c, and this should equal to 16 divided by 16 will remain with 21. So 16 plus 4, that's 20, and 20 plus 8, that's 28. So I have 28c, and this equals to 21. Let's make c the subject of this formula. So we have c equals to 21 divided by 28. But 21 and 28 have a common factor of 7. So we have c equals to 21 by 7, that's 3. 28 by 7, that's a 4. So we'll have our c as 3 out of 4. But our c equals to log of x to base 2. This implies that log of x to base 2 equals to 3 out of 4, since our c also equals to 3 out of 4. But from logarithm to index notation, we will have 2 to power 3 out of 4 equals to x, which implies that x equals to 2 to power 3 out of 4. But before we conclude, let's first test for whether the value of x equals to 2 to power 3 out of 4 satisfies the equation from the problem. When x equals to 2 to power 3 out of 4, let's substitute for x equals to 2 to power 3 out of 4 in this equation and check whether the left hand side will be balancing with the right hand side. So when substituting, we will have log of, instead of x, we have 2 to power 3 out of 4 to base 2 plus log of, instead of x, we have 2 to power 3 out of 4 to base 4 plus log of 2 to power 3 out of 4 base 16, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. And from power rule, 3 out of 4 will become a coefficient of the respective logarithm terms. So we'll have 3 out of 4 log of 2 base 2 plus 3 out of 4 log of 2 base 4 plus 3 out of 4 log of 2 base 16, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. But 3 out of 4 is common on the left hand side, so we'll have 3 out of 4 into bracket. This is the same as log of 2 base 2 plus log of 2 base 4 plus log of 2 base 16, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. So we have 3 out of 4 into, from identity rule, log of 2 base 2 is the same as a 1. So we have 1 plus, using the change of base formula rule, let's swap the base with the argument in this term. So we will have 1 divided by log of 4 base 2 plus, the same applies to this, 1 divided by log of 16 to base 2, and this should be equal to 21 divided by 16, and we have 3 divided by 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 4 is the same as 2 squared log of 2 to power 2 base 2 plus 1 divided by 16 is the same as 2 to power 4. So we have log of 2 to power 4 to base 2, and this should be equal to 21 out of 16, and we will have 3 out of 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by, from power rule, 2 will become a coefficient of this logarithm, 2 log of 2 base 2 plus 1 divided by, the same applies to this, from power rule, 4 will become a coefficient of this logarithm, so we'll have 4 log of 2 base 2, and this should be equal to 21 out of 16, and we'll have 3 out of 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2, and from identity rule, log of 2 base 2 is the same as the 1, so we have 1 here plus 1 divided by, we have 4, the same applies to this, we have a 1 here, and this should be equal to 21 divided by 16. This becomes 3 out of 4 into 1 plus 1 out of 2.5 plus a quarter, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. So using a calculator, let's first try to obtain the sum of that bracket, 1 plus 1 out of 2 plus a quarter. This equals to 7 out of 4. So we have 3 out of 4 into 7 out of 4, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. So 3 by 7, we have 21, divide by 4 by 4, that's 16, and this should equal to 21 out of 16. And since the left hand side equals to the right hand side, therefore our value of x indeed equals to 2 to power 3 out of 4, which also from indices equals to 8 to power a quarter. To best understand the basics, rules, and special cases in logarithm, check out this video. The full link is in the description. To support us, don't forget to subscribe to Outek Math, and for more examples, check out the links in the description. Otherwise, see you in the next.